napasa-pasa nila kung sino-sino ba ang pupunta sa Inglaterra. Let's go!
Kung matagal niya na akong bet na bet. Wow! Pamilyadong tao na ako, may anak na ako. Sana nakamove on ka na. Wow!
I want to pass this phone to someone who is truly special, funny. Actually, siya talaga yung happy pill ko.
I am passing this phone to someone who is extremely beautiful, the love of my life, and the biggest and best singer in the world.
I pass this phone, which is not my phone, to this very talented, incredibly great singer and songwriter. Tapos, kahit anong genre, kayang-kaya niya. Wala siyang kapintasan kasi parang perfect na siya eh. Medyo maliit lang. Yun lang.
I'm passing this phone sa isa sa pinakamagaling na